Hello! I'm here again mga parikoy. Pag-usapan natin ng post-fight analysis for between Manny Pacquiao and Manny Barrios. So napakaganda ng laban. Diba sinabi ko ang hirap mag-predict sino manalo. Pero nag-end siya as majority draw. Tingnan mo. Okay? Gaya ng sinabi ko, do not underestimate the heart of a champion. Kung tingnan mo yung bawat round at hanggang 12 rounds, napaka-tactical ng laban. No? Bawat isa tagot sumugod, no? Bilang respect to each fighter. No? Mahirap pumasok si Manny Pacquiao, tentative, as well as si Barrios. Kahit umabot ng last round, ganun pa rin. Okay? Kung tingnan mo yung laban, mga parikoy, as tampa analyst ng Boxing 101, panalo si Pacquiao. Talagang lamang sa points. Okay? Kaya lang nung 11 pati 12 round, tahipaya, no? Napagod na ang ating pambansang kamao, our legend. Of course, no? It's pretty clear because of his age, no? 46 years old. Talagang naubos na yung kanyang strength, no? Stamina, no? Sa fight. Pero still, lumaban pa rin siya hanggang 12 rounds. Okay? Despite na obvious na napagod si Pacquiao, 11-12, takot pa rin si Barrios pumasok, no? At pakbakan na si Pacquiao kasi alam ni Barrios baka biglang, no, isang solid punch ni Pacquiao will knock him out. Okay? Okay, sa ganitong sitwasyon, mga parikoy, mahirap talaga manalo, no, ang challenger. Especially pag bata yung reigning world champion. Okay? Isipin ng mga business people sa boxing, what if Manny Pacquiao will win? Okay? Sino ang next kalaban niya? Si Mayweather ba? Or si Tank? Or sino? Or si Turman? Ulit? Di alam, no? Sinong kalaban. Pero si Barrios, marami pang opportunities, no? Na pwede labanan sa kanyang division. Okay? So yan, no? Yan ang titingnan ng mga businessman, mga boxing owners, yung mga yung future ng boxing. Okay? Para hindi mapahiya si Barrios, mga parikoy, ang ginawa na lang nila is a majority draw. Okay? Still, retain pa rin ang boxing belt, crown ni Barrios. Still, si Manny, perhaps will be his last fight or next members ng exhibition fight, but still Barrios looking for future ahead of him because of this majority draw. As you notice, in the last fight of Barrios, still draw pa rin yung kanyang defense, no? Talagang iniingatan ng boxing world, ng welterweight division, na matalo si Barrios. Hindi na expect, no, sa laban na to na talagang, no, hindi umatras si Manny Pacquiao at pinapakita pa rin niya, no, yung preparedness niya as a boxing legend. No, kaya hirap na hirap po si Barrios makapasok and still, no, still ang ganda ng laban. What a fight. Okay? What a really a good fight between the two great fighters. So, yan lang po. Sa ngayon, sayang. Sana nanalo ang pabansang kamao, pero ganun talaga ang boxing. That's business. Thank you very much and have a blessed Sunday to everyone.